Better to have multiple units. Okay. Who's ready to share? Closet or a hub where the cleaners can go is going to be ideal. That's just kind of the situation there. So it's like we didn't have a place to store extra in here, so.
I've enjoyed this time so much at the HSRA headquarters in Dallas, Texas, doing this workshop for STRs. I have done a couple of them, but I'm wanting to get into them, and it helped iron out some questions and clarify some things that I wasn't quite sure about, but it's been fantastic. I want to come again and maybe even again. It's a great opportunity.
This was absolutely amazing. It was a total comprehensive training on STRs, both from the ownership side of it and the setup side too. So as a staging business owner, this is all fantastic information for me, and I'm much better informed now to help my investors and realtors improve their businesses as well. So we are here to serve, and I feel so much more armed and ready to go. Thank you so much, Jana, for everything.